Greetings everyone, this is Dave with Mighty Line Minute. We'll be talking today about the criticality of decision-making involving color and safety. Consider the American school bus. In 1939, transportation officials, educators, manufacturers, and safety specialists met at Teachers College, Columbia University, to establish national school bus standards. Color was one of the issues they addressed. They reportedly evaluated about 50 color samples before selecting the distinctive yellow-orange that became known as National School Bus Chrome. The choice wasn't simply aesthetic. Visibility, contrast, and readability under the low-light conditions of early morning and late afternoon were key considerations. The color was also scientifically determined. Nearly 90 years later, that decision raises an important question. What actually makes a safety color effective? The answer isn't simply choose the brightest color. Research into vehicle color and crash involvement has produced mixed findings, but one study is particularly interesting. In 2017, researchers studied about 16,700 Singapore taxis. That was over a period of 36 months. The fleet included yellow and blue taxis, and the yellow taxis had approximately a 9% lower accident rate. Because drivers were randomly assigned to vehicle colors within the same fleet, the study provided strong evidence that vehicle visibility contributed to the difference. The lesson isn't that yellow is always safer than blue, or that one color is inherently safe and another dangerous. The more important lesson is this: conspicuousness of a color can be a meaningful component of risk control. That factor isn't the same as brightness. Its effectiveness depends on contrast, background, illumination, viewing angle, object size, visual clutter, and the observer's ability to detect and interpret the signal. That's especially important in industrial environments. Safety markings compete with machinery, racking, inventory, pedestrians, lift trucks, shadows, and other visual distractions. A color that looks highly visible on a product sample or performs well in the lab may look very different on a busy warehouse floor. When evaluating safety or 5S colors in operations, four fundamentals matter: contrast, the conspicuousness of the color, recognition, and consistency. Contrast provides visual separation from the surrounding environment. How conspicuous a color is determines how readily the marking can be detected, including under peripheral viewing, changing illumination, and workplace distractions. Recognition gives the color a meaning people can interpret quickly, and consistency ensures that the same visual conventions are applied reliably throughout the facility. That last point is easy to underestimate. Traffic lights demonstrate the power of standardization. Red means stop, yellow means caution, and green means proceed. We recognize these signals almost instantly because their meanings are standardized. The same principle applies to industrial safety. ANSI and other recognized standards establish common color conventions: yellow for caution, orange for warning, red for danger, green for safety instructions, blue for notice. Consistently applied, these colors create a visual language that helps people interpret their environment more quickly and with less cognitive effort. When pedestrian routes, powered industrial truck lanes, exclusion zones, hazards, and other safety controls are consistently differentiated, the physical environment begins to communicate expectations. And that's before a sign is read or a procedure is recalled. Color becomes more than appearance. It becomes a human factors, engineering, standards, and risk management tool. The goal is to select visual characteristics that communicate the intended operational and safety message reliably in the environment where the decisions are being made. The 1939 school bus decision offers an enduring lesson. When color is deliberately selected, scientifically evaluated, standardized, and matched to the environment and the human task, it becomes part of the safety system and contributes to operational excellence. And this has been Mighty Line. Take care.